Hi, I'd like to talk to you about adding the end clip to your Crow belt. Now you may decide that the strap is too long for you after you're adjusting it as you're putting it on your turnouts. So you may want to decide to cut it, but instead you add the end clip. Slide the end clip onto the belt to, let's say, the location you want this to finish at. And you take the little insert here, and we usually have this with the little part here that's still T-bar. The bigger part T-bar, as you can see here, is facing me, and then the smaller part of the T-bar is away from me. I take the end of the strap here and put it through the smaller end of the T-bar first, as you can see here. Then I pass it through to the other slot here, the larger slot. I take this end cap, slide this through, push this, and this is where I'm going to tug here. This tug here is going to flatten this part here. So I tug it here. As I'm doing that, I'm pulling back on the cap. Once its cap's there, it's secure. This can be then shortened down to where you want to loosen, and then pull up to where it's going to be at. Do not cut this off yet. You can cut this with a hot knife, but until it is where you exactly like it, then you may cut this off. To take this off, you take a flathead screwdriver, you place it through the groove of the unit here, and then just twist it, pull out, and you can re-thread this to where you want to. If you want to pull it farther down, put this through again, and just repeat the process that I just talked about. Pull back, then snap, and there you go. Cut this off as you need to later.